Hey everyone, if you are a business owner, marketer, or just someone who is driving into the world of marketing, today's video is for you. We are talking about the top 5 marketing mistakes that people make and are more important, how to avoid them. So let's jump into it. Mistake number one, knowing your audience. You cannot market to everyone. So, to fix this, take the time to create clear customer personas, understand their needs, interests, and pain points so that your message hits home every time. Mistake number two, inconsistent branding and messaging. Consistent is the key to build trust. Fix it by setting a clear brand voice and sticking to a consistent calendar so your audience knows what you expect. Mistake 3, ignoring analytics. So many marketers forget to check analytics. If you are not measuring performance, you cannot improve. The fix. Dive into your metric regularly, look at what's working and double down on that. Mistake 4, relying on one marketing channel. If you are using only one platform and you are limited your reach, the solution, diverse your self marketing efforts, spread your messages across social media, emails, and even SEO to reach different segments of your audience. Mistake number 5, not engaging with your audience. Social media is not just a broadcasting platform. To fix this, respond to comments, ask questions, and build a community. Engaged audience or loyal audiences. So, there you have it, the top 5 marketing mistakes and how to fix them. Whether you are just starting out or a seasonal marketer, avoid these pitfalls will help you to see better results. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more marketing tips. See you in the next video. Thank you.